In this video, I'm going to break down the strategy to start earning high ticket commissions with affiliate marketing. So if you've been struggling with affiliate marketing, maybe you're having trouble making sales or you're earning small commissions, I'm going to break down the same strategy that myself and other six-figure affiliate marketers are using to earn high ticket commissions. So make sure to stick around into the end of this video and let me go ahead and switch over to my computer to show you the strategy. Alright, so before I explain this strategy, I just want to explain the difference between regular affiliate marketing and high ticket affiliate marketing. So the process works the same way. You refer people to buy a product from a company's website, but the difference is with high ticket affiliate marketing, you're promoting higher ticket products. So these are products that usually cost $100 or more. So whenever you earn a commission, you're going to be making commissions of $100, $500, $1,000, even $5,000 per commission, as opposed to regular low ticket affiliate marketing where you're earning $5, $10, $15, $20 commissions. Okay, so the strategy to start earning high ticket commissions with affiliate marketing is to create content on social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok. It really doesn't matter. It's up to you, whatever social media platform that you want to go with. And you're going to be driving that traffic to a landing page. So you're going to create your own landing page and you're going to capture people's email that are showing interest in the product that you're promoting. So when people come to this opt-in page, they're going to enter in their name and their email, and they're going to be redirected to what's known as a bridge page. So this is a short video that's going to be explaining a little bit more about the product that you're promoting and letting them know what to expect when they click on the button that's going to take them to the next page, which would be essentially the sales page. Now, what most people do is they send traffic directly from social media to the sales page of the product that they're promoting. Most of the time that doesn't work because a lot of people, they don't buy something the first time that they see it. You're going to get about 1 to 2% of people who see something the first time that are actually going to buy the product. So the reason why it's important to capture people's email is so you can follow up with them through a series of emails where you're going to redirect them to the product that you're promoting. So let's say if somebody comes to your landing page, they enter in their email, they go through the bridge page, and they make it to the sales page, but they don't buy the product. Now that you have their email, you can follow up with them through a series of email introducing value, just talking a little bit more about the product, the features of it, and how it would benefit them if they purchase that product. When you follow up with people through a series of email, what you're doing is you're building rapport with them, you're delivering value, and they're learning the value of the product that you're promoting to them. So that makes them more likely to buy the product. Now, the key to earning with high ticket affiliate marketing is to find proven systems that actually work. Now, these type of systems, they usually have a low end or what's called a front end offer, and they have higher priced products on the back end. So usually when you're promoting a high ticket affiliate product, they tend to have a low end or a front end offer to show people the type of value that they have to offer at a low price point. So this can be typically a product that they offer for anywhere between $10 to $100, and they promote a higher price product on the back end. So let's say that you're promoting a weight loss affiliate product. So for example, their $10 price point can be a 7-day meal plan to help somebody lose weight through the keto diet. But let's say on the back end, they have a 7-day boot camp for people who are trying to lose weight. And they offer that for a $200 price point, where it's going to be a group setting where people are going to be in a boot camp environment where they're going to be exercising, and maybe they have like a meal plan set out for the whole week. So this is where we start to see what's known as a value ladder, where people get more value at a higher price to solve their problem. Now let's say, for example, if somebody really wanted to get one-on-one personal training from like a fitness influencer or instructor, they charge $1,000 for that. If somebody were to buy this higher end private coaching, you would earn commissions for that. So let's say that the commission rate is 40% on $1,000, that would be a $400 commission. So basically, these are the types of commissions that you want to get, the higher priced products. Earning commissions on the lower priced products are good as well, but we're really trying to get the higher ticket commissions because you don't have to make as many sales when you earn high ticket commissions to earn a decent amount. And most of these proven systems have done for you funnels, meaning that they have a landing page, a bridge page, and even a thank you page that's built out for you. So when you have a proven system that has a done for you funnel, meaning they have a landing page, an opt-in page, a bridge page, and that directs them to the sales page. All you have to do is just copy that and then add your affiliate links so you can start earning commissions. Now this can save you a lot of time, especially if you don't know how to build your own funnels. So now once you have a done for you system set up, the next thing that you need to do is to start driving traffic to your landing page. And like I mentioned, you can use many different social media platforms to start doing this. You can use Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, even blog websites. It's really up to you. I would recommend focusing on 1 to 2 platforms until you learn how to master them, and then you start to build traction. Then you can start branching out and posting content on different platforms. Because if you start to post your content on YouTube, on TikTok, on Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, and any other social media platform that you can think of, you're gonna get tired and you're gonna burn yourself out without seeing really too many results. So the important thing is to stick to 1 to 2 social media platforms until you start to see traction, and then you can also repurpose your content and put it on other social media platforms. So to give you an example, I post my content on TikTok, and I also repurpose these same videos from TikTok onto my YouTube channel. So as you can see, I have a few shorts right here on my YouTube channel, and I'm not recreating these videos again. All I'm doing is just posting them on TikTok, and then I'm downloading them and then re-uploading them onto YouTube as shorts. So that's one tip that can save you a lot of time, is to just take your content that you already have on one social media, repurpose it, and post it onto another one. So you might be wondering, okay, so what should I be making content about? That really comes down to the people who would be interested in your affiliate offer. So if you're promoting a high ticket weight loss program, you would be creating content sharing weight loss tips, healthy foods to help somebody lose weight, or maybe just foods to avoid. Or let's say, for example, that you're promoting a high ticket dog training program. You can create content showing people tips on how to get their dog to sit, how to get their dog to stop jumping on people, and just sharing additional tips that people with dogs would benefit from. So once you create content on any social media that you choose, then you're gonna wanna direct people to your landing page. So once you have a done for you system set up, it's already in place, you don't really have to worry about it anymore. All you have to focus on is driving traffic every day to your landing page. So you might be thinking, okay, so I have to create content every day to drive traffic to my landing page. To be honest with you, the more content that you create, the more traffic you're gonna generate to your landing page and through your sales funnel. So I would recommend every day to create content, and it really doesn't take a lot of time to create content. I mean, how long does it take to create a Facebook post, or to make a TikTok video, or post on Instagram or Pinterest? It can take anywhere between 30 minutes to an hour, depending on how much value you want to create in your post and how many times you want to post a day. Now this is the same strategy that six-figure affiliate marketers are using to earn high-ticket commissions. Now, I don't want to make this video too long, but if you want to learn in more detail how you can start earning with high-ticket affiliate marketing, then check out the link in the description of this video for the same training that I used that taught me how to do this step by step. This training will also teach you how to create valuable content for your target audience so you can start earning commissions. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And I also invite you to subscribe to my channel if you're interested in learning about different ways to make money online. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next one.